Over 60, the vitamin that supports healthy leg veins and circulation. This vital information aims to unveil four exceptionally potent vitamins instrumental in dissolving blood clots, cleansing congested veins, and profoundly enhancing circulation, particularly within the legs. A critical disclaimer is issued up front. The final vitamin discussed is regarded as the most powerful, having been the subject of extensive research within the medical and scientific communities to help older adults avert serious, life-altering vascular and cardiac issues. However, before delving into these potent nutrients, it is imperative to assess for five specific symptoms that may indicate a faltering circulatory system, for which early recognition could genuinely redirect one's health trajectory. These five warning signs of compromised circulation are not to be underestimated. They are urgent signals your body is sending. The first symptom is a persistent, unyielding tingling sensation in the feet and legs. This often begins subtly, like a limb falling asleep, but it recurs without apparent reason. Physiologically, this signifies insufficient oxygen reaching peripheral nerves due to inadequate blood flow. When oxygen-deprived blood struggles to reach the extremities, nerve fibers transmit distress signals, manifesting as this pervasive tingling. The crucial question remains: are you attentive to these internal communications? The second indicator is the persistent feeling of cold feet, even when the ambient temperature is warm or hot. Many mistakenly attribute this to aging, but as a physician dedicated to understanding the body's self-preservation mechanisms, this assumption is incorrect. Cold extremities in warm environments unequivocally point to insufficient blood circulation. This is not an age-related inevitability, but a significant biological warning. The third symptom is characterized by disruptive and intense leg cramps, occurring either during walking or waking you abruptly from sleep, forcing a cessation of all activity. Nighttime cramps, particularly at 2 or 3 a.m., are far from normal and are medically termed intermittent claudication. This arises because leg muscles demand oxygen that is not being adequately supplied. Coupled with restless leg syndrome, this persistent urge that disrupts sleep also signals impaired circulation, requiring medical attention. The fourth warning sign involves observable changes in the skin of the feet and lower legs. Look for paleness, a purplish hue, discolored patches, or brownish-red spots that are new. These are critical indicators of blood pooling, weakening vein walls under internal pressure, and a diminished nutrient supply to the skin tissue. Consequently, wounds on the legs take considerably longer to heal, and swelling becomes a persistent daily challenge. The fifth and final symptom is the appearance of varicose veins and their smaller counterparts, spider veins. These visibly swollen, twisted, and inflamed veins near the skin's surface are more than a cosmetic concern. They signify a malfunction of venous valves, leading to backward blood flow or pooling and a dangerous buildup of internal pressure. Collectively, these five symptoms underscore the urgent need for science-backed intervention to support your circulatory system. To address these concerns, we will now explore vitamins that can meaningfully improve circulation, fortify vein walls, and prevent dangerous blood clot formation. Commencing with vitamin number 1, niacin, also known as vitamin B3, which is surprisingly deficient in many older adults. Niacin is a cornerstone for maintaining flexible veins and a resilient heart. While commonly recognized, its profound impact on vascular health is often underestimated. Extensive research has established niacin as a formidable ally in preserving the suppleness of veins and arteries, preventing obstruction and ensuring robust circulation to the lower extremities. Imagine arteries and veins as plumbing. Niacin acts to clear blockages, maintain flexibility, and reinforce structural integrity, quite the opposite of hardening and narrowing. It actively reduces clot formation, enhances arterial elasticity, improves blood flow, particularly to the legs, and by regulating cholesterol, lowering LDL, bad, and raising HDL, good, It significantly reduces the risk of arterial plaque buildup, strokes, and heart attacks. Beyond cardiovascular benefits, niacin protects neural tissues from oxidative damage, supports memory and cognitive function, and combats age-related neurological wear. It is foundational for graceful and healthy aging. Fortunately, niacin is abundant in everyday foods such as eggs, chicken breast, salmon, tuna, and almonds, making it readily accessible through a balanced diet. The recommended daily intake for adults is 14–16 milligrams, easily met through food sources. While supplements exist, exceeding appropriate doses can cause a niacin flush, an uncomfortable but not dangerous side effect, further emphasizing the advantage of a food-first approach. Moving on to vitamin number 2, vitamin C, a true guardian of your veins and skin integrity. Beyond its well-known immune-boosting properties, vitamin C plays a critical structural role in maintaining healthy veins, arteries, and skin. Your vascular system relies on it for structural resilience and elasticity. The key protein for this is collagen, and vitamin C is indispensable for its synthesis. A deficiency in vitamin C leads to weakened, less elastic vein walls, inflammation, the development of varicose veins, and skin that becomes fragile, discolored, and slow to heal. Therefore, vitamin C is not merely beneficial, but biologically essential for circulatory health. It effectively combats inflammation, alleviating the common sensation of heaviness in the legs and swollen ankles. By restoring elasticity to vein walls and promoting consistent blood flow, vitamin C significantly improves the quality and speed of wound healing, a crucial factor for aging bodies, where circulation compromise often leads to prolonged recovery times. Excellent food sources include oranges, lemons, strawberries, kiwi, guava, broccoli, red bell peppers, and spinach, which should ideally be consumed fresh due to vitamin C's sensitivity to heat, air, and light. While generally safe, exceeding 2,000 ml daily can cause gastrointestinal issues and increase the risk of kidney stones, reinforcing the recommendation for a food-first strategy to maximize absorption and minimize side effects. The third vitamin, vitamin K, is crucial for preventing dangerous blood clots and maintaining arterial flexibility. This vitamin is often misunderstood but is paramount for sustained circulatory health, especially for individuals on anticoagulant medications like warfarin. Vitamin K plays a dual role. It meticulously regulates blood clotting, preventing both excessive clotting that forms thrombi and insufficient clotting leading to bleeding, thereby maintaining the delicate balance required for healthy circulation. Furthermore, it actively prevents calcium from depositing within arterial walls, a process known as arterial calcification. This calcification leads to rigid, narrowed arteries, increasing the risk of obstructions, strokes, and heart attacks. Adequate vitamin K levels ensure veins and arteries remain flexible, effectively handle hemodynamic pressure, promote consistent blood flow to the extremities, and reduce the incidence of varicose veins and clot-related complications. Green leafy vegetables such as broccoli, kale, cabbage, spinach, Swiss chard, and parsley are the richest sources. Fruits like kiwi and green grapes also contain notable amounts. A practical and potent daily recommendation is a simple green juice incorporating spinach or kale, celery, kiwi or apple, ginger, mint, and a pinch of cinnamon, blended and consumed whole to maximize nutrient and fiber absorption. A critical clinical note for those on warfarin. The concern is not avoiding vitamin K-rich foods, but maintaining a consistent intake. Sudden fluctuations can make warfarin's action dangerously unpredictable. The anticoagulant dosage should be calibrated to a stable vitamin K intake, and any significant dietary changes should be discussed with a physician to ensure medication recalibration. Consistency is key for safety. We now arrive at the fourth and most powerful vitamin for comprehensive vascular protection, vitamin E. This vitamin not only shields veins, but actively dilates arteries, reduces blood pressure, and naturally prevents clot formation. Vitamin E acts as a potent lipid-soluble antioxidant, integrating into cell membranes to neutralize damaging free radicals, thereby protecting vascular tissue from the oxidative stress of aging. This cellular protection maintains the structural integrity of vein walls, keeping them sound under pressure and slowing age-related degradation. A significant property of vitamin E is its ability to inhibit platelet aggregation, preventing blood cells from clustering and forming dangerous clots, a crucial benefit for older adults or those with existing circulation issues. It promotes free-flowing blood, reduces venous stagnation, and lowers the statistical probability of clot-related cardiovascular events. Furthermore, vitamin E stimulates the production of nitric oxide by endothelial cells, a signaling molecule that relaxes arterial smooth muscle, leading to vasodilation, a reduction in blood pressure, and decreased cardiac workload. This is akin to expanding a highway, allowing blood to flow more efficiently. Excellent dietary sources of vitamin E include egg yolks, almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, spinach, broccoli, avocado, and extra virgin olive oil. A small handful of almonds or half an avocado combined with a serving of spinach can fulfill a significant portion of daily requirements. Caution is advised regarding high-dose vitamin E supplementation, which, particularly above 400 IU daily, has been linked in research to an increased bleeding risk, especially for those on anticoagulants or aspirin. Food-sourced vitamin E, however, contains synergistic nutrients that modulate absorption and prevent harmful accumulation, underscoring the preference for a food-first approach. The synergy of vitamins B3, C, K, and E creates a formidable, multi-layered defense system for the entire circulatory network. Niacin, B3, enhances arterial wall flexibility and openness. Vitamin C fortifies the structural collagen of veins. Vitamin K regulates clotting and prevents arterial calcification. Vitamin E provides cellular protection, cleansing, and vasodilation, working in concert with the others to maintain vascular health. Together, they form an extraordinary biological team promoting strong legs, resilient veins, and optimal cardiac function. To integrate these vitamins into daily life, a structured meal plan is essential, prioritizing natural consumption over supplements, especially for those over 60. Distribute these vitamins throughout the day. B3 in the morning, C at breakfast or lunch, K at the main meal, and E alongside healthy dietary fats like avocado or olive oil. A sample breakfast might include an egg, kiwi or guava, almonds, and warm water with lemon, covering significant B3 and C needs. Lunch could feature grilled chicken or salmon with a spinach or kale salad, avocado, and olive oil, reinforcing K levels. Dinner, a lighter anti-inflammatory meal, could comprise a spinach and avocado salad with seeds and herbal tea, rich in E and gentle on digestion. The anti-thrombosis green juice, recommended first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, includes spinach, celery, kiwi or apple, ginger, mint, and cinnamon, blended with water and consumed whole for maximum nutrient absorption. This juice, along with the 4 vitamins, daily walks, and adequate hydration, can lead to remarkable improvements in circulation within days. 4 essential daily habits for older adults are critical. Walk for 20-25 minutes daily, avoid prolonged leg crossing, stand and move every 45 minutes, elevate legs before sleep to reduce edema, and maintain adequate hydration to prevent blood thickening. 5 crucial precautions are paramount. Individuals on warfarin or other anticoagulants must maintain a stable, consistent intake of vitamin K-rich vegetables and consult their physician before making dietary changes. Those with diabetes, hypertension, or cardiac disease must always consult their physician before starting any supplement regimen, as supplements can interact with medications. The special 10-day circulation juice is a powerful tool designed to clear arterial buildup, reduce inflammation, and significantly improve circulation within 10 days. This blend consumed on an empty stomach for 10 consecutive days and then 3 times weekly, can dramatically improve leg heaviness, swelling, and tingling. The ingredients spinach, celery, kiwi or green apple, ginger, mint, and cinnamon each contribute specific health benefits. For those taking medication, it is vital to remember that this juice works in conjunction with, not as a replacement for, prescribed medical treatments. Always keep your physician informed, especially concerning anticoagulant therapy. Share this vital information with 3 individuals who could benefit. Subscribe to the channel for weekly evidence-based health content. Thank you for your trust, your comments, and your dedication to your health. May your legs grow strong, your veins run clean, and your heart beat steady, allowing you to enjoy vibrant health with your loved ones throughout 2026 and beyond.